to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a sponsored video. A Amazon seller reached out to me and asked if I would showcase one of their items to my family members, and I said, why not? Now here I am sharing with you an item from Bestie Shop on Amazon, and I will have the link down below. I am presenting to you today this beautiful auto flip weighted stainless steel pours you can use for your olive oil and even beverages. It also comes with a silicone funnel as well as a brush to clean in between use. And these pours are not only weighted gold, but they're going to elevate your pouring game. Yes. Now, guys, with all of that being said, I will have the link down below for these beautiful pours. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thumbs up this video, share this video. Let's get down in the comments. And let's see what I'm going to do today with these pours. All right. All right, now they do exactly what they are supposed to do: self-open and self-close. And with that being said, thank you, Bestie Shop, and thank you guys for watching. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you all the very next time that I upload. Bye-bye.